In this video, I will show you how to uninstall WordPress from Hostinger and reinstall it. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, make sure you are on the home page. Okay, now here under hosting, just click on manage. On the left side, click on this drop down arrow website and select auto installer. Now in here, as you can see, these are WordPress websites. Just click on these three dots, select the website you want to delete, and just click on delete. Check all these boxes, just click on delete. Now, if you want to reinstall WordPress, just click on select right over here, enter the website title. Now, make sure to put your focus on this because this is important. Just click on this drop down arrow. Now, under this installation path, select the domain for which you want to create a WordPress website. For example, I want to create my WordPress website for my subdomain.manlive.com. Here, put your password. Just click on next. Now, as you can see, the WordPress is installed. Format this domain, my subdomain.manlive.com. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.